everybody, greetings from Om Research and Analytics. In this video demo, we from Om would be showcasing our newly built loyalty analytics solution, Loyal Sites, which is powered by SAP HANA, which is targeted for the retail audience. First, we would like to give a small introduction about our company, Om. Om, abbreviated for Advanced Analytics Using Mathematical Modeling, was founded by IIT alumnus and established at IIT Madras Research Park in the year 2008. Om focuses on researching and devising sophisticated analytical techniques to solve pressing business needs ranging from finance, human resources, insurance, healthcare, entertainment, FMCGs, retail, telecom, travel and logistics, etc.
Loyal Sites is part of our advanced analytical platform GenieSites. The platform is available online at www.geniesites.com. Loyal Sites, our predictive loyalty analytics solution, helps in enhancing customer loyalty. This tool, which is targeted for the retail audience, adds a lot of value to their business through various analytical and prediction techniques that help in customer segmentation, identifying cross-selling, upselling opportunities, improving engagement levels, and predicting the most likely customers who react to your marketing campaigns. Loyal Sites can also be integrated with other leading softwares and systems and also can quickly be deployed and scaled. Some of the benefits or value that Loyal Sites will provide includes advanced actionable marketing insights, multi-fold increase in ROI, and reduction in usage of resources. Here we have the workflow of the product. It begins with the customer segmentation.
We begin with customer segmentation by region. Loyal Sites uses basic transaction or POS data, customer demographic information, and campaign data to perform analysis. Click on the compass to extract customers on the region of your liking. After segmenting customers on region, loyalty scoring analysis is performed quantitatively by examining how recently a customer has purchased, how often they have purchased, and how much a customer spends. A kernel density function is developed on this metric to compute the hybrid loyalty score that ranks the customers as elite or normal. Here the customers have been bucketed on values of recency, frequency, and monetary. The last plot shows the kernel density estimation of the customers on their loyalty score. The tool also helps the retailer to quickly identify the top 10 elite or normal customers. You can also enter the customer ID and get the loyalty score of your customer. Here, the cross-selling or upselling opportunities of your customer base is analyzed through market basket analysis. It is a technique that would tell the customer pattern, that is, the products that go together. For example, this analysis tells a retailer that customers often purchase honey and whole milk together. So putting them on promotion at the same time would create significant increase in profit, and a promotion involving just one item are likely to drive sales of the other. Here, the top 20 commodities purchased by the customers are displayed. The association rules on the item sets purchased by customer are mined from their transactions, and it is displayed there as the top 5 items that go together and bottom 5 items that go together. These rules help the retailer in framing his promotional decisions. Now click on Engagement Effectiveness to understand how well the customers engage with your business. This module is used to understand the engagement patterns of the customers. Here, we group people on the first day to the store as a cohort, and then investigate how they stay engaged with your firm over time. Engagement levels are color-coded on a scale of green to red. For example, the first row displays all the customers who walked into the store the first time in the month of January. The subsequent columns show how effectively they are engaged with the store over the next couple of months. We notice that engagement level of these people have dropped to 12% in the next month, and so on.
Now let us see who reacts most positively to your marketing campaigns. This helps to understand how effectively one can maximize your ROI on marketing campaigns by targeting the right set of customers. This module is dedicated to maximize the ROI of the marketing campaign. The objective is to measure true incremental impact of the effect of a targeted marketing activity. Fundamentally, the customers exposed to a marketing campaign can be segmented into the following groups: the persuadables, the sure things, the lost causes, and the sleeping dogs. Here, the segment that provides true incremental responses is the persuadables, that is, those individuals who can be positively influenced by an outreach effort. The focus of this exercise is to identify the persuadables and target your marketing campaigns only on those customers. Here, this exercise has been performed to predict the persuadable database. This sort of an exercise further helps the retailer in understanding the best area, channel, and gender of outreach. Click on the button of Logic behind maximizing your ROI to understand these techniques. Let us now leverage the tool to maximize the ROI and enhance your loyalty decisions. Click on the button Frame Your Loyalty. The previous modules have demonstrated how effectively loyal sites can guide the marketing team to segment, identify cross-sell upsell opportunities, and identify the most profitable customers. In this module, the marketing manager can reap the benefits of the predictive analytics that the tool has captured. The marketing team can strategically plan their spend on marketing campaign to maximize the ROI just by putting the spend and channel to be targeted. The tool pops up the right customers at the click of a button, thereby identifying the persuadables to be targeted for maximizing the ROI. The team can choose the desired channel of promotion and fill in the rest of the details and click on the Predict button. Loyal Sites then predicts the candidates to be targeted by the marketing campaigns. The retailer can then choose the action to be performed on the list of predicted IDs to finally frame his loyalty decisions. We hope this video demo helped all of you in understanding how Loyal Sites can enable the marketing team to effectively charter the customer engagement initiatives by leveraging predictive analytics. For more information, write to info@omanalytics.com.